Welcome to my.
But being passionate, you can, and having the skills in all spheres of life, you need communication and customer care. You need to be able to communicate with customers and with people. And if you have that,
IT person, yes.
yes, whether you're a taxi driver, whether you're a cleaner, a baker, whatever, a cookie maker, it doesn't matter. You need customer care. You need customer service. You need to know how to talk with people.
Totally. And thank you for making a difference, Ethel, and for giving me this opportunity as well.
I just feel that we need more women to talk together and to really stand together. And if, as we always said, if we can make a small change day by day, we don't know the big picture. We don't see the big waves. But if we can make small waves, at least we're making a change.